Hello and welcome to JDStone Creations. My name is Johnny and this is the M-Audio Pro Keys 88 SX. It's a great MIDI controller. It has your transpose functions, it has the advanced functions, allow you to do the octave, the transpose, change channel. Yeah, it can do all sorts. However, there's one crucial difference compared to any other cheap and crucially lightweight MIDI controllers. That's producing its own sound. This might damn well be the best value and only lightweight piano ever made. So if that's the case, what case do I get for it? Because there are no cheaper ones available this size. Well, my plan's rather ambitious. I've just ordered a gun case. Yes, you heard me right, a gun case, which is 4 centimeters shorter than this. And I'm going to recase it, just like I did with the side blade over there, because remember, that's a MIDI controller, and that simply just has a new body around it. And if all goes well, the only items I'm going to be using are a couple of pieces of wood and a fridge. Let's see how this goes, eh? Wish me luck. Ta-da! Oh, I know what I need. I need a tub. Found one. Sorted myself a reaching magnet. It's a 10 peg with a small rare earth magnet on the back of it. So now I can take the screws out. Woohoo! These ribbon cables aren't as long as I thought they'd be. And that is the top and bottom panels separated. So I've got to make sure all of this is secure somewhere, and this has just made me come up with a problem. I was going to move the controls and things. There's a big circuit board in the way. All of a sudden this whole thing just became more difficult. It's fine, I figured it out. Turns out the case that I bought is actually deeper than I thought it would be. That means I can put that board underneath. So the next job is take all of this out of that. Now, how can that be? One. Well, that was easy. Now, you may be wondering where I'm actually going to get some wood or metal long enough to shell this thing in one piece that doesn't cost more than the case that I'm going to put it in anyway. Well, for some reason, one day I decided, you know, that fridge doesn't need its side panels anymore. So, I have this. Now, the idea is, with a little bit of work stripping this weird foam stuff out, a piece of wood down here, and then another piece that sits on top of the keys there, and then two side panels made out of pine, because I have this lovely piece here, I could essentially score here, fold it over, score across the top and fold it over again, and I just have the entire keyboard there. Oh dear, this is stupid. Indeed. This was a step that I definitely didn't intend on having to do. So it turns out that I'm not going to be putting that circuit board underneath because it fits there. See that little dot there? Just there. And there's another one there, and another one just at the end there. Well, there was going to be a big straight line across there and I forgot to draw it. I'm guessing that you can see where the back of that's going to be. So, as a result of that, I can fit the circuit board at the back. So I'm going to start drawing a few more lines, work out... Haven't decided whether I want to put the wooden panel on the outside or inside of that bit yet. I think I might put it on the outside. Looks a bit better. So after an hour and a bit, I've turned a piece of mahogany that looked like this, turned it into this. Yep, exactly the same kind of wood. It smells amazing, and with it in place approximately across here, I think it should look amazing. I can't film this is ridiculous. I believe this, and the other one that's over there that I can't be bothered to walk over and get, will make some mighty fine side panels with the footprints removed and the edges shaped and smoothed. I'm going to be doing it on the outside actually, so this can move over a bit. Obviously I'm not going to need that much edge, am I? I'm going to basically have it so it protects the black keys, I think, and then round it over. Jesus Christ. I shaped it all very well earlier, so certainly be worth trying now. Why do I get the feeling that I'm just going to ruin all of this right now? Let's do the next one. I'm going to hold my leg underneath it. Well, I slightly missed the 2 centimetre mark there. It's a little bit big. But bloody hell, that makes a difference. I know it looks a bit crap from where you are, but... Whee! I think you can see where this is going. Clamped wood between thingies. All on table, all secure. Ish. I think it needs to be more secure than that. Well, it's kind of working. Small bits at a time. When you're changing the shape of any material, trying to rush it will just ruin it. Do you know what? As is, I think it looks pretty goddamn terrible. But I'm confident I can turn it round. With the wood panels on, a bit more shape in the back. To be honest, I had it in my head that this was going to be curved. I, for some reason, ignored that. There is a chance that I just completely cut out all of that section, or cut at that line, round off the edge, and then put the panel on. But it is coming together, and it is a vaguely sort of keyboard shaped thing. Trust me, it'll be better than this. I hope it's better than this. I don't want it to just look like a fridge. I suppose it was a fridge at one point, so I shouldn't be that surprised.